Hello. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you on how you can use your device by using the T-Mobile website support. I want you guys to know that I was a technical support in T-Mobile before, and yeah, maybe you're one of my customers before. But yeah, I'm gonna teach you one step by step on how you guys can navigate your phone if you wanted to know something about your devices, especially the eSIM. Okay, so the electronic SIM card, that it's quite complicated sometimes to use, right? So yeah, let's start with this helpful page. Just go to t-mobile.com /support, and then just scroll down. This is the first page. We'll see this first page. Welcome to support. You can see there your pay your bill, download the app, and everything about T-Mobile support guide. So next is just scroll down because our focus on this video is about the devices. Because again, I'm one of the technical support before who wanted to help you guys by using the YouTube platform. So yeah, let's dive in. So first is we will tackle about iPhones. But I'm gonna click first this all devices. Oh wow, all devices. So once you will click the all devices, you will see the support devices, and you can select what devices what did you want to navigate with. Okay, so let's start with Apple. Oh wow, there's an iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. How I wish I could have these devices. But yeah, I really want you to know, guys, that I'm so amazed with these devices. It's not because it's expensive. I'm amazed because the quality of the camera and the specs. In short. So let's start with this first device, which is the iPhone 15. Let me click it. So in this device, you will see the tutorials. So yeah, this is very nice. So you will see here this arrow. You can drop down the arrow pointing on the lower part about eSIM, calling and contacts, connection and network, display, email and messaging, eSIM, media and sound settings, troubleshooting, update, and backup. So let's start with, I think let's start with eSIM because this is the trend nowadays in USA, right? So yeah, let's start with how to locate your EID, the EID of your phone. So just click that one and then let's try to zoom in and just read this out. But in short, you could find the EID on your Apple iPhone 15 by dialing this code star pound 06 pound, or if you want to locate it to your phone, just go and let's follow the steps. First is you need to go to the settings. Second is you can go to general. You can scroll down your screen a little bit, and then you will see general button, and then you will see about, the first button. Next is you will see EID. And once you click that EID, you will see the numbers. It's 32 digit numbers that you need to know. All right. The purpose of the EID, by the way, is that is the number that we will activate in our system, so that it can be paired to your phone number to start the um, phone activation or the phone number activation on your iPhone 15. All right. So if you want to know more about eSIM, just follow my um, YouTube channel and just subscribe and like the video. All right. Thank you. See you next time in my next video. Okay. Please follow my videos. It will help you a lot. Thank you.